Well, hello everyone. Another new year is on the way. Can you believe 2021 will soon be here? And hey, what would New Year's Eve or New Year's Day be without some ice cream? How about some holiday ice cream? I always enjoy making eggnog ice cream, and I'm not really a big fan of eggnog, but the ice cream is drop dead delicious. But please don't drop dead. It really is tasty. In fact, I call it my holiday ice cream. You could also call it a French vanilla. And we can make this in 15 minutes or less, so let's get started. All we need is half a cup of sugar, check. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Since we got half a cup of sugar, to make it a full cup of sweets, we'll just use half a cup of eggnog. Eggnog is delicious. If you love it, I do, sort of. And but it's very rich, so I drink just a little bit every so often. So we're going to just put half a cup of eggnog in the blender. Southern Comfort eggnog, the best. And you can get that in your grocery store or freezer. And since this is thick, we're going to use the measure all cup for half a cup of eggnog. And I've got it set for half a cup. And into the blender we go, and we plunge it in so there's no scraping, no mess. Isn't that nice? And all I have to do is just scrape the bottom to get every single drop. Okay. Vanilla flavor, a teaspoon. A quarter of a teaspoon for sea salt for fast freezing. About a cup and a quarter of ice. I got it all in there and I didn't even make a mess. So we got our sugar, our eggnog, vanilla flavoring, salt, ice, and we'll pulse it all together. should be good. 45 seconds. I love the Deluxe cooking blender. And now we're going to pour it into the ice cream maker. So we'll power up the ice cream maker. The bowl and the propeller has been in the freezer until I needed it again. It should be in the freezer for at least 24 hours prior to first use. And we'll set the timer. It'll go all the way up to 45 minutes. But this should be ready in 15 minutes. So I got it set on 20 minutes. And we just start gently spoon our mixture into the ice cream maker. Oh, you can't see me, can you? Let me see. What if I turn this way? Now you can see me. Here we go. Steady Eddie into the ice cream maker. And this is so good for any time, spring, summer, winter, or fall. Ice cream is good for any time, and especially at the holidays. A good French vanilla goes perfectly with just about anything you have on the agenda for the holidays. And I love the ice cream maker. It's a 1-quart bowl, so it makes a good 1 quart of ice cream. Guaranteed not to have any leftovers or any that have to wash down the sink or throw away. And the good thing about the Deluxe cooking blender, it has a self-cleaning cycle. So I'm getting ready to put it on and you can watch it clean while the ice cream finishes making. I guarantee you the blender will be finished cleaning first before the ice cream's done. So how do we clean the Deluxe cooking blender? We put 3 quarts of water into it. We put just a drop of Clorox. I do. You don't have to, but I always clean with Clorox. And so I just put a drop or two because it's concentrated. So you don't want, and that was literally 2 drops. And just a drop or two of your dishwashing detergent. Just a drop or two, no more. Why? Because these things are heavily concentrated and you don't want it to spew over the side while it's cleaning. Alright, we'll secure the lid. And now we'll turn it to heated wash. Cancel. Heated wash. And in 7 minutes, the Deluxe cooking blender will be finished cleaning. And all we have to do is rinse it out with hot water, turn it over, let it drain, put it up. How easy is that? I love this cooking blender. It's done cleaning, so the deluxe cooking blender has finished cleaning. We got just a few more minutes with the ice cream. Oh my gosh, it's looking delicious. So now we just take and pour out the suds, hot water, rinse it, and turn it over. Well, what do you think? Is that not awesome? I love the deluxe cooking blender because I make so much with this thing. Everything from soups to ice cream floats and ice cream. You name it. Love it, love it, love it. And it's so easy to clean. I love that 7-minute self-cleaning cycle. Are you guys ready for a little soft serve ice cream? Oh my goodness, just look at this. In just 12 minutes, almost 13 minutes, we've got delicious holiday ice cream. May we all take a cup of kindness and cheer as we enter into 2021. And just savor the moment. Think about where we've been, where we're headed, and just enjoy all that with a little ice cream. Ice cream makes everything better. Don't you agree? Wow, wow, wow. All I need now is a party hat, right? What do you think? So what does this eggnog ice cream taste like? Let's see. It's better than what you get in your grocery store freezer. When was the last time you had homemade ice cream in less than 20 minutes? Guaranteed not to have any leftovers in this house after tonight. Let's all ring in the new year together with positivity, excitement for another new year, and a little Pampered Chef ice cream. Just another superb idea from Pampered Chef for this time of the year.